What's up everybody, VisualTimmy here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a watermark logo stamp. When you have a watermark logo stamp, you can easily mark your work, shrink it down, and maybe leave a signature in the corner of your painting, or whatever you might need this for. You can start by coming and creating a new brush. Down here you will see Shape. This is where you'll want to put in your logo. Press Edit, Import from Photo, and then find your logo. No matter what image you put in here, it will transfer it to grayscale, which is black and white. The white parts will be the paint parts, and the black parts will be the negative space. So if you do import it like this, it will stamp as a square instead of your actual logo silhouette. So with 2 fingers, tap once to invert it back to the original color. From here, you want to take your spacing all the way up, come down to Apple Pencil, turn opacity down, come to properties, turn maximum size up, turn off orient to screen, and turn on use stamp preview. Now, if that was too quick, you can easily go back in this video and rewatch it, but that will leave you with your watermark stamp. From there, you can adjust any of your settings to make it larger, smaller, more or less transparent, and this will be pretty much all that you need to create this brush. Thanks so much. Hope you enjoy. Peace. Hey, VisualTimmy here. If you enjoyed those tutorials and you'd like to dive into a complete Procreate 101 course that will teach you everything that you need to know about the Procreate app, then go ahead and join with the button below to create a free account on my app, Visual Tribe. From here, you can take a Procreate 101 course going through 10 videos, 10 steps with tons of information. You've got GIFs, you've got bullet points, you've got sections, you've got screenshots that walk you through all of the features of Procreate app and basically show you how to navigate it from square one. So if this is something you might be interested in, go ahead and click the button below to make a free account.